In this video, I'll show you how to fold down your rear seat of your Honda Accord 98 to 2002. So you'll need the key of the car, the black one, not the gray one, because the gray one is for the valet. And you're gonna notice there's a small place over there where you need to insert the key, and you're gonna twist it clockwise like that. Okay, it will unlock the latch that is right there, and then you'll be able to lower the seat. Okay, once you've done this, you can remove the key. It should not stay there. Lower the rear seat, put it flat like that. Okay, and you can even put the seat belt on the side to have more space if you want to put a very large box or something like that. Once you're done, you just simply need to bring back the seat vertically and it will clip in place. You do not need to insert the key over there. This is just to unlock it, and then you're done. You can remove the key. Make sure the seat belt is put in place the way it's supposed to be, and this is it. You also have a pass-through in some Accords. Same thing with the key. You're able to open it. Well, that was in the closed position as well. So you just need to lower, you see, put the key there, twist it to lock it, untwist it to unlock it, and then it goes down if you have some skis or some really long items.